If you are really stressed around your business right now, di ba negosyo mo yan? Dating pangarap mo lang yan. If you are in a toxic company, toxic workplace, kung hindi ka masaya sa trabaho mo, di ba ikaw ang nag-apply? Nagpasa ka pa nga ng CV mo eh. Ang bait-bait mo pa nga sa interview. Sabi mo sa interview, gagalingan mo, itotodo mo, ibibigay mo lahat. Tapos ngayon, nagre-reklamo ka na. Complaining won't help you, but accountability will. Kasi yes, kung anumang buhay meron ka ngayon, kasalanan mo. Kung wala ka pang pera, kasalanan mo. Kung hindi ka kumikita, kasalanan mo. Pero ito good news, pag kumita ka ng pera, kasalanan mo. If you become a millionaire, kasalanan mo. The moment that you can accept that the results in your life is a byproduct of your own decisions, you will start to change for the better. You have to take ownership. And you have to stop blaming anyone for the things that you are experiencing right now.